let's try to make our own DIY Christmas wreath using only Dollar Tree supplies.
First we need glue, Mama.
Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's figure it out. Hey guys, it's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today I'm going to be using Dollar Tree stuff to make what turned out to be a very ugly wreath that did not have to be. So I just bought this wooden cutout stencil from Dollar Tree along with these metallic glitter styrofoam balls and glitter glue sticks, and I just used like this old hot glue gun that I found to melt the glitter glue sticks. I've never actually used glitter hot glue sticks, so I was just really curious how it would work, and I was like, oh, what if I color in these little designs that already came on this wooden cutout to make a cute holiday wreath? Well, see, the thing with me is I never pre-plan any of my craft videos. I just kind of do them, and then if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't, and I share with you whatever I decide to share with you. But yeah, lately I've been loving to show you guys even more of my mistakes, just so you don't make the same mistake. But yeah, if you do decide to do this, this could actually have turned out really awesome if I had just pre-planned what I was going to do. But here I'm going to share with you the journey of how it didn't work out quite so nice. Anyway, so I'm just going around the whole wreath and just coloring in like these little objects that look similar. The thing that I did not think through also was that I only bought one pack of each thing, like one pack of the styrofoam ornament ball thingies and one pack of these glitter glue sticks, and the glitter glue stick pack only comes with like 3 colors of each. There are like 3 sticks of green, 3 sticks of red, 3 sticks of silver and gold, and 3 sticks of blue actually. But yeah, so I kind of ran out of some colors after a while to really make the wreath look even. But besides that, I should have pre-colored in this wooden part, or like painted it first, so that there weren't so many just raw wood bits, because at the end you'll see there's just a lot of spots that I missed and that I could no longer reach because there was just stuff in the way. But this was just like a fun little relaxing project I did. Here's what it looks like so far. It's not that great. Anyways, I'm just continuing to cover up these little sections, these leafy ferns with different colors. I'm trying to space out the different types of glitter glue colors, and yeah, eventually I do run out of the glue sticks, so I switch over to gluing on the balls. So these are these really cute styrofoam glitter metallic balls I got from the Dollar Tree, and they are super nice. Like if I just bought probably like 2 or 3 bags of these and then just covered the wreath without even doing the hot glue, it would have looked so much better. And then I could have just designed the inside with something. I don't know. I could have used the metallic glitter glue sticks on the inside to color in, but I didn't do that. So yeah, I'm just like willy-nilly placing these little styrofoam ornaments, as I like to call them, all over into the gaps between the hot glue. And I didn't think that the edges would be all wooden and raw and stuff, but it is what it is. And yep, I just used I had like 1 glitter glue stick remaining or something, and I just used that to put a little dots of glue on here and just stick them on, and they stuck on really well. So I was like, oh man, I should have just did all ornaments to begin with. But you know, what's done is done, and it was still a good crafting and learning experience. But I'm just gonna keep covering this entire wreath until I use every single ball in the bag, and the balls do come in different colors and sizes, which is cool. So here's what it looks like so far. I'm gonna just go in and try to cover in the inner rim of the wreath. So you can see they come in like a whole bunch of different sizes and colors, and yeah, I mean, for $1, like basically all the supplies that I bought were really nice, really good quality. Like even just the wooden wreath itself, and the fact that you can do whatever you want with it, like color with marker or anything, was a really good deal. So I basically only spent $3 on this whole project. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. And then I had my son color in the inside with glitter glue, but you can't really see it. Like it shimmers, but there's not enough pigment to cover it. So I'm gonna let him use these bingo markers to color it in, just to give him something to do today and a nice crafty fun project, since this wreath is already ugly to me. So I'm gonna let him put his little touch on it, and he has decided to use the colors black and orange. So yeah, Halloween colors on a Christmas wreath, you know, anything is possible. So he's having a ton of fun just coloring everything. And yeah, he loves his bingo markers. If you have a younger toddler or child that loves, you know, using markers, like this is a probably easier way for them to color using bingo markers. And they also sell them at Dollar Tree for $1. So this is what the finished wreath looks like. And I tried to color in some of the edges, but it just wouldn't fit because the bingo marker tips are too thick. Right, well, that's my ugly Christmas wreath. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!